किसी भी कंपनी को क्रैक करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी शुड try to understand the pattern of interview. There is a high probability to crack that interview. For the on campus the story might be different. In case of the online assessment, you don't need to do anything if you are prepared, well prepared for the DSA. So yeah, DVMS में सिक्वल आप देख लेना अच्छे से. The technical round 2 is the basically the DSA round only. I would say focus at least 70% your focus should be the DSA. Then 30% you should be focused on the computer CS fundamental and your focus should be the project. This is the one of the most important round guys. Techno functional round. This is one of the most important. इस राउंड में क्या होता है, ये बहुत लंबा चलता है एंड इट इज टेकन बाय द बीपी ऑफ द इंडोनेशियन लाइक हेड ऑफिस पर्सन. हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. सो टुडे विल डिस्कस द डिटेल इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द Tokopedia because I was getting a lot of the question regarding doubts about the Tokopedia interview, what exactly the interview look like for the SD1 role, off campus and what. सो Tokopedia इंटरव्यू की रिकॉर्डिंग बहुत सारे डाउट्स मुझसे पूछे गए, तो आई थॉट कि लेट्स मेक ए डेडिकेटेड वीडियो फॉर द Tokopedia इंटरव्यू. सो सी, एक बात हमको समझना पड़ेगा सबसे पहले कि बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द डिटेल ऑफ द इंटरव्यू ऑफ द Tokopedia, किसी भी कंपनी को क्रैक करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी शुड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द पैटर्न ऑफ इंटरव्यू. सो एक बार वंस वी गेट द पैटर्न ऑफ द इंटरव्यू and then we'll be able to prepare better to crack that interview. So my point is कि जब एक बार आपको पता चल गया कि what exactly expect from the interviewer, like what type the questions, what exactly the level you can expect, then you can prepare the better in that case. So that's why I'm saying understand the pattern. Whatever the company you are giving the interview, understand the pattern guys. Once you get the pattern, there is a high chance you will prepare better. So once you prepare better, there is a high probability to crack that interview. So now let's go to the detailed interview experience of the Tokopedia. So पहले हम देख लेते हैं कि कितने टोटल राउंड्स थे Tokopedia. ये जो डिटेल इंटरव्यू है अभी भी मैंने डिस्कस किया कि कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है. So this interview is the exact assembly happened in the Tokopedia for SD1 role off campus. I'm not talking about the on campus. On campus the story might be different. In case of the interview, it might be the less number of round, but in the off campus at least you are going to face the 4 round of the interview for the SD1 role, the backend. This is specific the backend role, so that's why I am going to share the in terms of the backend interview experience. So in online, see, first we'll go the detailed interview experience. First we'll go the detailed of each round, then I will also tell you what exactly you have to prepare to crack those round, each round of Tokopedia. So in case of the online assessment, you don't need to do anything. If you are prepared, well prepared for the DSA, then you are good to go because 90 minutes का around होता है, ये 90 minutes का, and इसमें DSA होते हैं आपके, DSA 2 DSA questions रहेंगे plus some MCQ. You might face some MCQ question. और MCQ क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल से रिलेटेड रहते हैं. अगर आपके DSA एटलीस्ट मीडियम लेवल का है, 30 मिनट्स में आप मीडियम लेवल क्वेश्चंस बना लेते हैं, सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, दैट्स मोर देन इनफ. और आप MCQ क्वेश्चंस मोस्टली लाइक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से रहते हैं, मतलब या ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से. देन आपको यू माइट सम बेसिक क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, बट या DBMS बहुत अच्छे से करना, SQL क्वेरीज से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे MCQ मिल सकते हैं आपको. सो या DBMS में SQL आप देख लेना अच्छे से. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द सेकेंड राउंड. Once you and also guys, I want to clear here, say each round is the elimination round. If you didn't perform the good in any of the round, you will get the eliminated. So technical, अब आते हैं टेक्निकल राउंड 2 पर. इन द टेक्निकल राउंड 2 इज द बेसिकली द DSA राउंड ओनली, नथिंग एल्स. सो इट्स द DSA. इन द DSA इसमें भी आपको 30 मिनट्स में एक क्वेश्चन करना रहता है. तो बेसिकली 2 क्वेश्चन को पूछते हैं, 2 क्वेश्चन और मीडियम लेवल के रहते हैं. आई वुड नॉट से द हार्ड, बट अगर आपने लीड कोड एटलीस्ट मीडियम लेवल या GFG मीडियम लेवल बना रखे हैं क्वेश्चन, तो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अबाउट द Tokopedia. अगर मीडियम लेवल के आपने प्रैक्टिस 30 मिनट में बना ले रहे हैं, you will be able to crack most of the companies, trust me guys. So medium level is बहुत अच्छा लेवल होता है एक, अगर आप कर लेते हैं 30 मिनट्स में क्वेश्चंस। तो या मीडियम लेवल के क्वेश्चंस थे मोस्टली। क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट राउंड में मोस्टली मुझे एक स्टैक का क्वेश्चन था, स्टैक का क्वेश्चंस, एंड एक स्ट्रिंग का क्वेश्चंस था। एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चंस आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट या स्टैक और स्ट्रिंग का था। और डीएस से सेकेंड राउंड में एक मैं क्वेश्चन फेस किया था ट्री का। So basically there was given a string, and by using the string we had to make a tree by using those characters, something like that, I don't remember exactly. And then एक क्वेश्चन स्टैंडर्ड हार्ड का था, I don't remember, but yeah, it was based on the linked list. So that was the second round. Yeah, this is the one of the most important round, guys. Techno functional round, this is one of the most important. इस राउंड में क्या होता है, ये बहुत लंबा चलता है, एंड इट इज टेकन बाय द बीपी ऑफ द इंडोनेशियन, लाइक हेड ऑफिस पर्सन से ही लिया जाता है। और इसमें मोस्टली आपके सिनारियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, लाइक how will you finish the project, let's say deadline is very tight. Let's say you are given the task of 20 days, in the 10 days, let's say you have the only 10 days and you have to complete that. What you will do, what the actions you will take. Let's say there is a problem with the teammate, how will you handle that, something like these questions. And what is your strength, mostly the question around the project and scenario based. So इसके लिए mostly we can say the culture fit type questions. Yeah, mostly hiring manager type questions and culture fit type question. And yeah, so yeah, mostly hiring manager and project questions over there, projects. So this will be the discussion, but it will go around more than 1 hour. So mostly Indonesian persons लेते हैं इसमें, VP रहते हैं. So this was the interview of the Tokopedia. And now I will tell you how exactly you should prepare for each round. So first OA के लिए तो आप like DSA जो कर रहे हो वही करते रहो आप, nothing else, there is nothing else in this also. And also OA में DSA के साथ साथ आप guys don't ignore the computer fundamentals, CS fundamentals, that's most important things. Most of the students ignore this, don't ignore. It is not just important for the OA, also it is important for the as a software engineer once you start doing the job. And also it is also important in most of the companies in the interview. Even let's once you crack the OA, most of the companies might ask the question in the take rounds, then you will be having some problem to crack those interview. So that's why DSA के साथ साथ fundamentals बहुत अच्छे से करो. Now let's move to the take one. Take one also the DSA, take two also is the DSA. I didn't get any other questions, mostly the DSA was there, DSA questions were there, and in this also the DSA was there. So focus on the DSA, guys. Your focus for I mean specific, if you talk about the Tokopedia level of interview, then I would say focus at least 70% your focus should be the DSA. Then 30% you should be focused on the computer CS fundamental, and your focus should be the project. So project लिए क्या कर सकते हो आप, let's say जो लैंग्वेज आपने सीखी है, जैसे मैंने जावा सीखी थी, मोस्टली मैंने स्प्रिंग बूट के प्रोजेक्ट बनाए थे. तो आप let's say आप अगर पाइथन सीखे हो तो पाइथन के साथ साथ आप जेंगो करो, so that you can build some web project to showcase in the project round, in the hiring manager round, if they ask any question around those projects. So that's how you can create those project and hiring manager round. And techno functional, I didn't prepare anything. Trust me, guys. I didn't prepare anything. I just use my common sense and little bit focus and what exactly I think in the techno functional, if I honestly, I would say that they will not reject until you will say something very wrong. So mostly the culture fit round happens. They just want to check are you fit for the right team or not, in that team, in that Tokopedia or not. So let's say you have very aggressive nature or something like that. They try to check by having the conversation with you and different question, throwing different scenario based question, how you react, how you respond. So that's all they check. So for cracking the techno functional, for cracking the project round, you can search on the Google like top 100 culture fit type questions and go through that and you are good to go, I think. So yeah, that's all the interview for this Tokopedia. आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ एंड वंस अभी मैं और भी इंटरव्यू कवर करने वाला हूँ लाइक मिंत्रा, लिव स्पेस, पे यू, सेल्स फोर्स and angel one. Once we cover these interview experience, then I will share exactly, I don't know about the others, but exactly what are the free resources I use to create these type of the companies, these interview, like be it technical interview, be it the culture fit. I will share like each resource in just single documents so that you guys can get the benefit. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, and guys, if you like this video, and you can subscribe, you can like, and also if you think that this video might be useful for someone, be it fresher, be it SD1 who are preparing for product based companies, and then you can share with them. And thank you guys for watching.